Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Bill4Time Invoicing, a comprehensive tool designed to streamline your billing process and help you get paid faster. To get started, first log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the invoicing section. The first step is to create a new invoice, which can be done by clicking on the New Invoice button. Here, you will need to enter the client information, invoice date, and payment terms. Make sure to select the correct client and project to ensure accurate tracking and reporting. Next, add the services or products you want to invoice for by clicking on the Add Time or Add Expense button. You can also add fixed fee items or recurring invoices as needed. Bill4Time allows you to customize your invoices with your company logo, colors, and layout, making it easy to brand your invoices and create a professional image. Once you have added all the necessary items, review your invoice for accuracy and completeness. You can also add a personal message or note to the client if needed. When you are satisfied with the invoice, click on the Save and Send button to generate the invoice and send it to your client via email. Bill4Time also allows you to track the status of your invoices, including when they are sent, viewed, and paid. You can also set up automatic reminders and notifications to ensure timely payment. To manage your invoices, navigate to the Invoice List page, where you can filter, sort, and search for specific invoices. Best practices for using Bill4Time invoicing include setting up recurring invoices for regular clients, using the automated payment reminders, and customizing your invoices to match your brand. Additionally, make sure to regularly review and update your invoices to ensure accuracy and compliance with accounting standards. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Bill4Time invoicing to streamline your billing process, improve cash flow, and enhance your professional image. With its intuitive interface and robust features, Bill4Time invoicing is an essential tool for any business looking to simplify and optimize their invoicing process.